Welcome ladies, welcome to your exercise video. Here we are, we're gonna start just doing the same stuff that we did in the last video, but I'm not gonna talk. This is the most you're gonna hear me talk. So have fun. And we're gonna start up here. All right, so give me. All right, take it off. Good. Keep that O shape in there. Try to relax your tongue and add that hoot in there. That long arpeggio again. So reminder, drop the jaw, O shape, puckered lips. Go for it. Boo, 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 boo. Keep going. And make sure you have that hoot in there. Good. And we're still working on that volume control. Trying to keep everything in the same vicinity. One more. And make sure you're staying true to that hoot in there. You can overdo it for now. Nice hoot in there. Give me that boop, 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 boop. Dropping, and if you can add the vibrato at the bottom, awesome. If you can't, don't worry about it. We'll work on it later. So go for it. Boop, 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 boop. And try to make every note equal. right, we're going into B's, and same thing. We're going for that hoot, the drop of the jaw, and that nice kind of puckered lip. So we're going for the beep, 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 beep. And if you can add the vibrato at the end, go for it. All right, keep going. So make sure you're dropping the jaw. If there's a mirror nearby, that always helps. So we have one more. We're going to stick with the B's. Keep dropping that jaw. Keep a hoot shape in there and just kind of have fun with it, okay? So we're going beep, 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 beep. Keep going. Breathe. Nice. So there's your exercise for today. Make sure you do these twice a day, not back to back. Do one in the morning, do one in the afternoon, give yourself a break. Remember, it's all muscle memory, so the more you do it, the better you get, and the more you'll be able to do and hit all the notes that you want to be able to hit in all the songs that you love. All right, guys, I will see you guys next week. Have fun singing. Bye.